Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I'm drawing a cute little panda with a letter P. Let's draw and paint together. First, draw letter P. Let's turn it to a cute little panda now. Pandas are cute and cuddly animals that everyone loves. Do you know what is panda's favorite food? If yes, you can comment below. Bamboo is their favorite food. Pandas are often found munching on bamboos and carrots. Pandas are a type of bear, but unlike other bears, they don't eat meat. Love eating and resting. Do you know pandas are great climbers and swimmers? Pandas are very gentle and shy animals. Let's paint together now. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.